What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to teach you and kind of visualize how to gauge your ear with a taper. So a taper is this guy. Looks like a spike. Taper because it tapers, bigger. So what you're going to need is saline wash, jojoba oil, and BodyJ4You's ear butter. This stuff is incredible. So first thing that I do is, because I would do it in the beginning of the day, spritz your ear with some saline wash just to clear out any bacteria. So just spritz, rub it around, pretty good. Okay, but this isn't a lubricant. And then you take your jojoba oil, a little bit, and lubricate your ear. Make sure it's all nice. And also, you want to lubricate your taper. Make sure it's nice and lubricated. You can also use the ear butter as well. I'm going to do that. I'm going to lubricate the taper with the ear butter. Lubricate both is because you want a nice smooth surface to glide in, and you want this to not really catch on anything and be harsh. So all we're doing, okay, is taking your ear, starting slow, and I put my two thumbs behind and I push slow. Should glide right in. Okay? Now that it's in, there's a little lip. As soon as you get over that lip, your ear is now at the next size. You take your single flared that comes with it, single flared, this little bump is called a flare or a saddle. You want just one, so this is easy to push through. Okay? You also want to lubricate this one with some ear butter or jojoba oil and glide them through. I'm not that good at the glide, but your ear will be elastic enough to slide it in. And that is how you gauge your ear easily and safely. Now, big point. If it hurts to the point where you feel like your earlobe is ripping, stop and pause. If you cannot get it through, take it out, keep the size that you're in, and try again within a couple days. It is important to not blow out your ear, which we'll cover in another video. And it is important to listen to your body. Do not jump sizes. Do not jump too quickly, or else a lot of complications are gonna happen. Okay? So that is how you stretch your ears. And now the time frame between stretching your ears, we're gonna talk about in another video. Peace.